Okay, today a demo with a remote MCP server. Okay, I'm using FastMCP. FastMCP, it is just a nice framework to build a MCP server. And what is nice is that you can implement a remote way for using MCP. It means you can use, for example, HTTP. Okay, so it's super nice because you can deploy your MCP server somewhere on the cloud. And sure, we are going to see how I deployed my MCP server on Oracle Kubernetes Engine on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. It's super easily. First, just to have a look to my MCP server. My MCP server is here. As you see, I'm using FastMCP. Okay. I put some authorization, a very simple authorization with email. Okay, but you can do OAuth and so on. I have two methods here. Greet user that say hello, but you need to put an email to get an answer. Okay, and as you see with the decoration MCP tool, it's super easy to declare a tool on this MCP server. And I have another here method, get topic info. Okay, exactly the same, able to answer to what is the topic, Python, AI, and MCP. Okay, at the end, blah, 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 just MCP run, use HTTP, okay, on this port here, and host. Okay, now, after that, I did a Docker file, okay, then I created a Docker image, and I pushed it on Oracle Container Registry. My image is here. Okay. After that, a simple deployment with Kube. Okay. My MCP server and a service in order to expose my MCP server on the port 8000, just using the automatic integration of OKE with OCI load balancer. Okay. And then I have a public IP address in order to reach my MCP server deployed on OKE. Super simple. Now, just to do a test, here you see a notebook. Okay. The goal is to implement a client able to connect to this MCP remote server. Okay. Okay. First, I did a test in order to get the tool of the server that is running on OKE. And you see, oh my God, you have two tools, greet user, and you have get topic info. Wow, super nice. Okay. Here, two methods that are using the client from MCP in order to do a call, remote call. Okay. And then after that, so the test was okay. As you see, hello Chris from my demo app, it is exactly what I have in my method on the MCP server. Okay. Then after that, I just decorate these two functions with function tool. Okay. A decoration. Then I created the agent. Okay. I gave the tool, greet user tool, get topic info. I used a session. You know why? Because when I asked the question the first time, hello, my name is Chris and my email is, I don't want to repeat my email on the second question. So my event will be stored in the session. If I don't propose this email, then I will have an unauthorized call answer from the agent, okay, and from the MCP server. Super nice. Just did a test some minutes ago. And hello, Chris from my demo app. How can I help you today? And okay, a question about AI. As you see, he has in the session my email. Well, very nice to answer, to call to my remote OKE cluster where my MCP server is running from my laptop. And if just here I do kubectl logs on my pod, oh, my fast MCP server is running, and you see the request here, information. Okay. Thank you for your attention. As you see, a super simple way to deploy a MCP server remotely on Kubernetes with Oracle.